Hi and welcome back to 3D Underground Workshop. My name is Trisha Snyder and we are doing the third part in the series, the alternate ending to the wire bracelet. So now that the bracelet is finished, instead of clipping the ends off, we're going to create our own clasp. So you're going to have the 3 wires on each side. You're going to take the bottom wire closest to you and you're going to flip it up over the top 2 wires. Then you're going to turn the bracelet over and you're going to fold them down and cross them over each other. And just leave them like that. Turn the bracelet back over and you'll see that now you have a new bottom, and you'll take what's silver in mine and you're going to do the same thing. Flip it up and over and then cross it down in front. So then you'll just have one wire or one set of wires that's flat across the whole thing. Now you're going to take those 2 wires and you're going to flip those up straight, and you're going to just pinch them together, cross them over, and twist. You should have enough wire left over to where you can get 6 or 7 good twists out of it. If you have more, go ahead and twist it up, and then you're just going to clip it off at about 1/2 inch. Then you're going to clip the ends off, the excess wire, off of your crisscross pattern and just kind of tuck those under. Now taking your needle nose pliers or your looping pliers and bend that top twisted piece down into a hook shape. Once you have that done, you can start bending the actual bracelet around into a round shape. I would definitely use a coated pliers to do this. You don't want to scratch your wires. And then that hook just fits nicely in the very first loop that you made when you first started making the bracelet, and that's all there is to it. The very tip of the loop, I would just curve it inwards just a little bit so there's no scraping, and now you're done. So you've got the alternate ending, and I hope you enjoyed this series. I'll be making some more soon, and thank you again for watching so much. I appreciate all of you.